Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pongo token. Now the Pongo token is a very popular XRPL token. It's actually trending number 4 right now in the XRPL section on DEX Screener. Name of the token is Pongo, ticker symbol is also Pongo. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on DEX Tools or DEX Screener. Those are all great places to find the chart, all the statistical information. And I'm going to be posting actually today a few different XRP tokens. Some, MEMECOIN, some brand new. There's one called Browse that is a brand new token. Going to be talking about that today. I did post the Phoenix token video a while back. And then I believe yesterday or the day before, I got tons of central exchange listings. So if you're not familiar with the Phoenix token, make sure you check that out. Very popular token. That one's trending number 2 on DEX Screener. Browse is number 1. Laugh token I posted yesterday, that one's number 3, and number 4 is Pongo. So that's what we're talking about today. So this token has millions of dollars of market cap. It says $14.8 million market cap, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. They're up 2% today, so not tons of action percentage-wise, but they have had a 24-hour trading volume of $3.6 million. They've had over 10,000 transactions. And MEXC Global, that's where the Phoenix token just got listed. I just remembered. So yeah, if you're not familiar with that token, check that out. Now, how do you buy this Pongo token? It's not on MEXC Global as far as I know. So you would buy with your XRP instead. So there is a place where you could bridge XRP, changenow.io. It says buy XRP on a central exchange. So I do have a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box if you like. So you'd buy XRP on a central exchange and bridge for XRP on Change Now or a similar app to that one. Then you would create a wallet, create your own wallet on First Ledger, either with the Telegram bot or the web version. And then you could send your XRP to your wallet using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage here, pongoxrp.com. Over there they have the DEX Tools link. You can find the contract address for this token on DEX Tools. You can find it on DEX Screener. There's even a buy now button that'll take you to firstledger.net with the exact contract address on the pongoxrp.com page. So Pongo isn't just any skunk. He's a warrior, born in the MEMECOIN trenches. And if you go to the webpage, Pongo's hanging out with Doge, Shiba, Pepe, and Phoenix. So pretty cool. All these memes are on different pages and stuff like that. But anyways, yeah, Phoenix is definitely a very popular XRP token. Check that out. So countless tokens rise and fall in the blink of an eye. Born with black and white fur, Pongo wears his colors with pride, symbolizing his loyalty to XRP on a mission to unite meme coins under one flag. For Pongo, the XRP blockchain isn't just a platform, it's his battleground. He's ready to lead the meme coin revolution. So they have an art gallery filled with memes on the webpage, the XRP Trench Warriors. And there's different stories about them. So Pongo's call is not just for followers, but for fellow warriors. He seeks to unite all who have faith in the power of memes to disrupt, innovate, and unite. Under Pongo's leadership, the community isn't just a group of investors, it's a legion of like-minded individuals bound by a shared goal of transforming the meme coin landscape. Together, they aim to create a cohesive front, leveraging the strength of XRP's blockchain to fight for visibility, value, and victory in the crypto wars. Pongo's troop is where every member is born a soldier and a strategist in his own grand meme coin crusade. So this token here, they have $293,000 worth of liquidity right now. This token was created 26 days, 14 hours ago, so it's a fairly new token. It's under a month old. They show the artist, the designer, all that stuff on their webpage as well. They are uniting the troops. Their objective is to assemble a formidable force of meme coin enthusiasts and XRP believers. Rally the scattered forces under Pongo's banner, promote unity through a shared vision, community events, and exclusive token benefits. Establish a command center on Telegram where strategies are discussed and camaraderie is built. They want to disrupt and dominate the established meme coins and conquer their territories. Launch surprise attacks via significant token burns, strategic partnerships, and showcasing Pongo's unique features, utilizing the XRP's blockchain speed and efficiency to outmaneuver competitors, capturing market share and investor interest. They want to expand the ranks to include both seasoned warriors and fresh recruits, implement a rigorous recruitment campaign with educational content, interactive AMAs, and incentivize partnerships in community activities. Develop a loyalty program where every action taken by members directly contributes to the token's growth and stability. Listing on exchanges. So their objective is to secure strategic positions on major and niche exchanges. So maybe you'll see that coming soon as well. They're going to have talks with leaders, potential community support, and guerrilla marketing as well. And so they're going to have social campaigns, viral media campaigns, meme contests, flash mob events, etc. Check them out on Telegram at Pongo XRP. And you can check out their Twitter in the corner of the screen here at Pongo XRP. It has a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter. Real easy to find. You can see it's brand new. Just joined December 2024, 2,500 followers already, over 300 posts and a blue verified check mark. Go check them out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.